Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Vivekanand Academy of Human Excellence. My name is Komal Veer and today I am going to introduce you the next part from your English book, and this lesson name is Health is Wealth. Nowadays we choose this way to pass our knowledge toward you. We are taking online lectures, we are taking many precautions. Because of this corona, we are facing many problems nowadays. But good side is that every person now they know that health is more important than any other thing. Most of the people before this situation, they just only like to run after money. They wanted to fetch a lot of money with their work. But now this situation make them realize that health is more important than money. If we are having a lot of money, but we are suffering from many health issues, so there is any use of that money? No, of course not. For money, if you want to earn the money, first you learn how to take care of your health. If you are having good health, good mental health, physical health, then only you can work very nicely. You will achieve your goals. In this story, there one man who at the end of the story who realized that health is actually wealth. Wealth means our asset. Money is not our real asset, that is not a real wealth. If you are a healthy person, this is your real wealth, and you will be a wealthy person if you get a good health by doing exercise, by following the instruction of doctors, by taking care of yourself. So then only you will be a real wealthy person in a correct manner. So, before to learn the story, we will read the content, we will read the story here.
Lesson number 4, Health is Wealth. The proclaimer shouts to make an important announcement. The headman of the village is ill. The person who cures him will get a reward. Why such an announcement? Of course, there is reason for it. The headman Fulpuri is ill. It is not at all an ordinary illness. It is an illness the medicine for which not even known to the best physician. Due to this illness, the headman has become not weak or thin but fat and obsessed. Now, the headman is in such a position that he needs the help of the attendants to make him do his daily chores. He can only sit when he is made to sit by his attendant and lie down when he is assisted to do so. Standing and walking is just out of questions. How did the headman reach this condition? This happened not because of any illness or disease, but because of lack of exercise and by overweighting. The poor headman keeps lying in his bed, waiting for his attendant to help him to sit and then lay down. Announcements were done earlier too, but nothing happened. Physicians came and went, taking away fat fees. Now the announcement has become a regular feature in the village. A poor old lady named Ramabai also hears the announcement. Ramabai is hardworking and intelligent. She somehow understands the real cause of the headman's illness. An idea strikes her mind. She makes a plan to cure the headman. Ramabai tells no one of her plan. She packs a bag, ties her hair up in a bun, and goes straight to headman's house. She looks like an experienced physician. After saluting, she says, "Honorable headman, I have come here after hearing about your illness. I am not an ordinary physician. You may call me the Empress of Doctors." The headman is impressed and allows her to start treating him. Ramabai bows before the headman and says, "There is one condition. You have to do what I'll tell you to. Otherwise, my medicine will not cure you." The headman is in a fix, but there is no other alternative but to accept Ramabai's condition. Ramabai then tells the headman that there is a simple routine he has to follow. It is as simple as plucking 5 neem leaves every morning from a particular tree. This tree stands about 500 steps away from the main gate of the headman's house. There is another point to be kept in mind. Only one neem leaf is to be plucked at a time and is to be brought back to the main gate of the house and then chewed. In this way, 5 neem leaves are to be plucked and chewed daily for 30 days without any break in between. This has to be performed by the headman himself and not by anyone else. To get caught, the headman starts following Ramabai's advice, but the headman finds it difficult to follow the instructions in toto. On the very first day, he walks down to the neem tree with a great difficulty and with the help of a dozen servants pull down a leaf. After coming back to his house, he relaxed for the whole day. Then next day, Ramabai comes to find out how the headman is doing. However, she encouraged the headman to continue the treatment. The same incident is repeated the following days. As they pass, surprisingly, the headman finds that he is able to walk up to the tree on his own. Then he realized that he is not so tired after returning from the tree. He now enjoys the walk to the tree and back from it. At times, he even looks forward to it. After 15 days, the headman feels much better. He appears to be somewhat thinner and more energetic. What a surprise! At the end of the 30 days, the headman can not only sit and stand up all by himself but also walk. He is happy that Ramabai has made him realize the importance of exercise and the disadvantage of overeating. As promised, the headman gives a bag full of gold coins to Ramabai. Ramabai returned home as a rich and a famous woman physician. Everyone in the village is happy for Ramabai. So this is our story named Health is Wealth.
Now we read the story. Now it's time to talk about the content of the story. What exactly is the story? Where the story takes place. This story starts with a big palace. Who lived there? Yes, you are correct. There lived a headman of the village. And what was the name of the headman? Fulpuri. So what happened with this man in this story? One day, proclaimer means what? A person who is announcing something in front of people, who is very clever, who is very important for the people. So he started to make the announcement in a village. And what was the announcement? Announcement means when we speak something in front of people which have written already, in a written or spoken that information when we are sharing with the people, so that we call announcement. He started to read that instruction or the thing or that important news in front of everyone, and he started to announce it. He said, "Hello everyone, listen. Our headman Fulpuri, he is ill, he is not feeling well. Nowadays he is facing many health issues. So who will cure this health problem? Who will make him healthy? Who will help him to get better now from the situation? They will get reward. Reward means when the person is getting something in return of a good thing, that we call reward for his good work or her good work, when they are getting something in return, so that we call reward." So he said, who will cure this headman? Who will make him again healthy? So that person will get reward from him. That person will get a lot of money from him. So as you know that of everyone. And but what was the reason why this headman falls sick? So there is reason that actually the reason is Fulpuri is ill because of ordinary reason. Ordinary means which is not usual. Why we become sick? Why we become unwell? That the reason is sometimes we are because of the environment, because of other things we become sick and we started to feel uneasy. But this thing is not about this person. This is not, there was not ordinary reason. There was not unusual reason. There was another reason. See, the meaning of this word is ordinary means different in any way. There was a different reason behind this. That why this headman became sick. And what was the reason? Can you see this picture here? And tell me, this person is very thin or very fat? Can you see this picture here? Yes, your answer is correct. This person is very fat. Nowadays, we are also, showing this thing, and we are also saying, first day we are decided to do the work and to make the exercise. On the next day, you started to, serve many excuses for that thing. You are saying, no, now I am really very tired. I can't do this thing. I don't want to do this thing. Yesterday I slept very late, so now I can't get up early. So this type of reason you start to serve in front of the person who will help you to follow your things. You started to serve many excuses in front of them. Same thing it is about the headman of the village, about Fulpuri. What is problem about this person? That Fulpuri, he was very lazy. He was really very lazy and overeating person. He just only like to eat many things. Most of the time people they just only like to eat. In a rainy season they are ordering fast food, they are eating at their house. Most of the time they are demanding their mom that to mom, please cook this, please prepare this dish, I want to eat this, I want to eat that. So please cook this food for me. And your mama, she knows that she loves you very much, so she always say yes for your demands. She is always completing your demand. But this is not a good thing. Same thing happened with this person also. He was overeating person. He just only like to eat more and more. And about exercise, he was very lazy. He was not interested at all to do the exercise. But now what happened with this person because of this overeating and because of that laziness he shown for the exercise, he became sick, he became ill, and now he need a person for helping to sit, even to make him lay down on bed. He need assistant. See, this word is here, attendance. Attendance is a person or people whose job is to assist someone or to help someone. The person who is specially on a job to help that person, that we call attendance. So every time we just only need attendant to make him sit, to make him lay down on a bed. This is really very bad condition, right? If you want to stand on his place, for that also you need a person. And mostly he can't even walk. To sit on a bed or to lay down on bed, he needs the help of somebody. He hired somebody for that job. He hired some attendants for that job or for that work. So even it is hard to sit and to lay down, that is completely impossible to walk on his own leg. So for his daily chores also, for his daily work also, he needs somebody there who is always stand for him, who is always take care of him. This thing is happening with him. Many physicians means one who is specialist in general medicine. The person who is, that doctor, but physician means the person, obviously a doctor who have a great knowledge or specialist about medicine, general medicine, and he will also suggest you many things and the exercise which is good for your health or which will help you to get better from your situation, from your condition. So now, and means they were announcing this thing again and again in the village that proclaimer every day he is going into the village. He is announcing that who will call the headman, that person will get rewarded with a lot of gold coins. This thing happened now. This thing was happening regularly. Means it take part in that regular lives. Every time, every day, this proclaimer was going into the village. He was announcing this thing, and the many physicians, they are coming. They are taking the money from them. They are advising them. They are offering many advice to them that how you do this thing, you do that thing. This will be good for you. This thing will not good for you. But there was no use of this thing. Means nothing happened. Every physician just only came and taking away the money, taking away the reward. Only this thing is happening with this headman. But now the announcement became a regular part, regular feature in the village. This became a regular part of the village. Means there was nothing special. Every day this proclaimer was coming into the village and announcing this thing that who will help this headman to cure from this disease. They will get rewarded with a lot of gold coins. But this became a regular feature of their village. This is happening regularly now. But the most important thing that you know that all members, they are not dumb or they are not selfish or they are not greedy as like others. So in that same village, there was one lady. That was old lady. So there was one old lady and the name of that lady is Ramabai. Now see this. This is Ramabai. So this old lady, she also heard about the condition of the headman. She heard about it. And she knew that why this is happening. Means all the physicians, they were offering different reasons. Because of this, maybe you are in this condition. Maybe because of atmosphere you are in this condition. Maybe because of the other reason, health issues, you are suffering from this problem. But this Ramabai, she understood that what was actual reason and why this is not getting good health, and now why this headman is suffering with those problems. So she was very hardworking and at the same time she was very intelligent. Old lady make a plan to call a headman to take care of the headman, and she was ready to go and to take care of this person. Ramabai didn't even share anything with anyone. She just only went to her house directly. She just only make a bun which will help her to show that she is a professional doctor or she is a really very good physician. Then she looks like experienced physician, that she had a lot of experience, she know everything about it. She looked like that. After saluting means she just only touched her head with a hand and she showed respect for the headman. She said that honorable headman, means my respected headman, obviously I have come here, I just come here to help you to come out from this problem. I heard about your problem. I heard about it and I know how to solve your illness, how to help you to come out from this illness. I know that how to help you. So I am not just only ordinary or the simple or other like another physician. You can call me Empress of Doctor. You can call me with this name. When headman heard about this and he just only he was impressed and he was surprised at the same time. He said, wow, maybe this physician, this doctor, she know that how to make me feel better, and he allowed her that to do whatever you want, give me advices, give me medicine which you think which will help me to get to feel better. So you do it. But Ramabai, she just only said that before to say anything, before in front of that headman, she said, okay, I'll help you, and definitely I know how to help you to come out from this problem, but there is one condition. You have to do that what I'll tell you. Means if I give you any work, you need to do that. Okay? So there you cannot say no for that work. Otherwise my medicine will never go. If you want a good health, if you want to again do your work by yourself, you have have to follow my instruction and behave and just only do the things as per my instruction. You are not have that right to say no for anything. So that headman said yes. So this is the first part of the story. What happened after this first part in the story? What she suggests to that headman, and that headman, he really follow that instruction or not, and that advises it really help that headman or not, that we will learn into the next video, in the next part of the story, Health is Wealth. Bye.